This one in another small project in which I have created the toolbox for the curve fitting. This is the toolbox for the curve fitting which I have designed, and this is the code. If I run it, you can see that there is a graphical user interface, and I have some data in the Excel sheet which is present over here. If I open this data, you will see that there are two rows, two columns. The one is the data for the x-axis, the other one is the data for the y-axis. You can replace this data with any one of your data. So when I use the polynomial for the curve fitting procedure, I use the 8-degree polynomial and I run this code. You can see there are two lines. The first line, which is in the shape of the marker, a line, and with a marker, which is this one. This is the actual data, and the one with green line, it shows the fitted expression, which is the polynomial expression which has been fitted with it. So if I use the Fourier polynomial, the Fourier curve fitting procedure, you will see that it look like this one. This is the actual data and this is the curve fitted with it. There is another option which is linear interpolant. When I run it, it perfectly fit with the data, and there is a shape preserving method available which give the same result, and there is a nearest neighbor method and sum of sign method which is available. I am using the 5 terms, and the result look like this one. This one is the result. The actual data and designed curve of the designed expression doesn't meet with each other, so the linear interpolant provide me the best result which perfectly fit the data. Thank you so much. This is another app.